This is the 2.25-inch insert lantern ornament. The jig, the file will be available on our Facebook page for free here soon. You add the back layer to the least depth side of the jig, and then flip it, and then add the middle piece. The middle piece you want to test, to make sure you have the right orientation. Here I didn't, so I had to actually remove both sides of the 3M backing. Um, but this is a 16th inch piece of wood, and I have 3M backing on both sides. So once you insert it into the jig and adhere it to the back layer, you pop it out of the jig and then flip the jig to the deeper side. Then you add the top piece and then pop it out of the jig. You can leave the ornament like that. There will be score lines to show all the different parts of the lantern, but I like to add a little bit of depth to it by adding pieces to embellish it a little bit. So you'll see me adding 3 pieces to the lantern, and for this particular one, I'm adding the black pieces. So I add here 3M backing to the top pieces, so it makes it easier to assemble. You just remove the backing and then add it to the scored parts of the lantern ornament. You can also choose to engrave these pieces. I did not, but there's a couple of services that are very easily engravable, and you can engrave them at shows and then adhere them, at the show even. And these are insertable, so I'm showing you here some examples of, the insertable pieces of flex. So I just have, 3 of the 2.25-inch scenes from a Smoky Hill laser. You can see you just insert it, then you can add string and a bead to make it a finished ornament. These are smaller ornaments, so for smaller trees. You could use these for car charms as well, but just a couple of ideas.